Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to take a look at a pair of boots from Orban's to see how Orban's does monkey boots. So you'll recall that I have a pair of monkey boots from Trickers, and then I have a pair coming in from Indonesia, and I wanted to check these out to see how they're different. And these are made in France, made in Spain. The company is French, and these are like a little 3/4 height. You can kind of see how it's set up there. You know, really nice, interesting piping contrast on it. As you look at the welting and the storm welt, it's a pretty high storm welt as they go. And they have like a little cushion here on the outside. And the heel is suede on the inside. So that's an interesting choice. It's actually pretty thick. So should be pretty comfortable. They feel the leather feels really nice, kind of like a not quite tight enough for a football leather, but it's very close. And you know, these rubber soles, just now you can see that they have a midsole that they welted, and they probably glued these on top of that. So very, very interesting connection there. And that midsole is pretty thin too. So it's interesting how they did that. And they have they pre-sewed the storm welt, kind of like Norwegian, but not quite. So you see the welt here matches the line here on that, but it's a little ugly. Not terrible. Take a look at this one. A little bit of polish work there that's needed. Nothing major. Again, you can kind of see it. Overall, it's a very different style of a monkey boot, but I thought it would be interesting to check out. When I first looked at these, I was looking at maybe picking up a pair of like the 1980s monkey boots that were really popular in the punk rock era, and they looked more like sneakers, honestly. So I decided to try these instead, and gave me an opportunity to look at Orban's and see what the excitement is about. So these are listed at, there's a price on the box of 220 euros, which is still great for, you know, a Goodyear welted or Norwegian welted shoe. And as we look, and they were on sale, so I didn't even pay that. So really, really interesting, and look forward to getting them on the hoof and letting you guys know what we think. So thanks for watching.